Watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to see how a quadratic equation can be solved with the help of a quadratic formula. So let's go for it. The given quadratic equation is 5x square minus 9x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will compare this quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When we compare these two equations, we find that a is equal to 5, 9 is equal to b, and c is equal to 2. So we will write it down here as a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 9, and c is equal to minus 2. Please keep in mind that you have to consider the sign of the coefficient as well, instead of taking into account the number only. Like if you are comparing these two equations, you will be comparing c with minus 2 and not only with 2. Same here with b. B should be compared with the 9 and its sign as well, which is minus in this case. Okay, our quadratic formula is like this: x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a we will substitute the values of a, b and c into this formula. So it will be minus into minus 9 plus minus square of minus 9 minus 4 into 5 into minus 2 over 2 multiplied by a, which is 5 in this case. Let's simplify this. Minus into minus 9 will be plus 9. Square of minus 9 will be 81. Minus 4 multiplied by 5 will be minus 20, and when we will multiply minus 20 with minus 2, it will become plus 40. And 2 into 5, this one will be equal to 10. So far so good. 9 will be as it is for the time being. We will add 81 and 40. It will come around 120. 121. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 121 is 11. Now in this case we have two values of x, that is x is equal to 9 plus 11 over 10, or x is equal to 9 minus 11 over 10. Nine plus 11 is 20, and 9 minus 11 is minus 2. So the final value of x is equal to either 2 or it is minus 1 over 5. So these two value of x are actually the answer of this question, so we can write now our solution set. Our solution set is 2 and minus 1 over 5, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until next time, please take care of yourself and bye bye.